Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to activate HOLAFLY eSIM Android. Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to activate your HOLAFLY eSIM on Android. This process comes directly from HOLAFLY themselves, so if you follow the steps carefully, your eSIM should be up and running in no time. First, open your settings, tap Connections and go to SIM Manager. Now turn on your HOLAFLY eSIM and turn off any other installed SIMs to avoid network conflicts. Then under Mobile Data, select your HOLAFLY eSIM as the preferred SIM for internet use. Once done, head back to Connections, open Mobile Network, and toggle data roaming on. You'll notice your signal bars refresh. That means your eSIM is activating. Give it a few seconds and your plan should be ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully activated your HOLAFLY eSIM on Android. Stay connected, travel smart, and enjoy seamless data wherever you go. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.